Welcome to Min, idiots in cars where ordinary roads turn unpredictable in a heartbeat. Here, fleeting choices collide with harsh reality, revealing how thin the line can be between control and chaos. Settle in, sharpen your senses, and let the journey unfold for all. SUV traveling west veers off course and strikes the cable median barrier, showing how small errors escalate at speed. Stay focused, steady control saves lives. Blind spots around trucks can hide vehicles beside them, leaving drivers unaware during lane changes.
Pennsylvania. There was. Hold on.
I'm good.
Sudden right turn of a small car leaves a container truck no time to respond, causing a collision. Predict the unexpected drive with caution.
Oh my God!
Collision forces a container truck to tip onto a nearby vehicle in the same lane, leaving little room for escape. Keep space, safety grows with distance. A sudden highway collision unfolds when two vehicles follow too closely, leaving no time to react. Keep distance, space gives you safety. Always stay alert.
Oh, Jesus, Jesus, Jesus! Jesus!
I think we missed
Oh, no, it's still going. Jesus, 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 Jesus. Jesus, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. You
Illegal night racing spirals out of control, dragging an unrelated vehicle into the collision. One reckless move can harm anyone. Choose safety, not risk. Dashcam captures a high-speed police pursuit ending with a controlled PT maneuver in Georgia.
Put your hands up! Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up! Face away from me and walk backwards through me.
BMW M3 speeding on Chiru Road loses control and triggers a crash. Fast thrills fade quickly, steady speed keeps you safe. Small car drifts into the median in the front of a container truck, likely due to driver fatigue. Rest before you drive, alertness keeps everyone safe. High-speed head-on impact with a truck ends unexpectedly without serious harm to the car's driver. Luck fades fast, drive cautiously and respect your limits. Dashcam shows an impaired driver crashing into a support pillar and flipping the vehicle on Route 12 near Ila Road in Lake Zurich. Never drink and drive, protect lives. Every clip you've seen on Min, Idiots in Cars is a reminder of how quickly a moment can shatter expectations. Let these near misses and hard lessons echo beyond the screen, guiding your next decision on the road. Stay alert, stay grounded, and carry the caution forward. If this opened your eyes, share and subscribe to the channel.